How to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying your friends. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name. Next, tap your current profile picture, then select Choose Profile Picture or Select Profile Picture. Choose the photo you want to use from your gallery or upload a new one. On the preview screen, look for the Share Your Update to Feed option and turn the toggle off. Then tap Save to update your profile picture. Your profile picture will be updated, but Facebook won't create a post in your friend's newsfeed. To verify, return to your profile and check your timeline. You shouldn't see a new post announcing your profile picture change. That's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook profile picture without notifying your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.